Hello guys, welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gilly here, and today I have a lot of new products in front of me. I wouldn't say that they're like too much, but I have been gathering like a few new products that have either been out for some time or have only been out for like a few weeks or a few months. But you know, the way the makeup world works nowadays, if you don't get it like 10 years before it comes out, then you're late, but you know, it is what it is. I have just a few things that I just want to try on camera with you guys, for you guys to see my first impression and give you guys a full review by the end. And you know, some of these products are like the new BH and ItsMyRayeRayeCosmetics eyeshadow palette, these new E.L.F concealers. I also got it in like a darker shade to contour with. I finally got my hands on these ABH blush trios. They were on sale at like Marshall's for 10 bucks. I was like, yoo-hoo, finally gonna get these because I wasn't paying full price for them before. I also got this liquid glow from HBO as well. This one's in the shade Oyster. So these are just a few of the new products that I will be trying out today to show you guys. I even got some new brushes from BH Cosmetics. Tell me these just like aren't the cutest things on the planet. So yeah, if you want to see what look I end up creating and how all of these products work out for me, then please keep on watching. But before all of that happens, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, as well as follow me on both Instagram and Twitter, just so you can have more ways to interact with me. But yeah, let's dive right into these amazing products right here. So first and foremost, I'm going to jump into the eyeshadow palette. This is the packaging that it came in, and trying to get it out so I can like open it because I still have not done that. So this is like the unicarton, and of course it tells you it's all this stuff. This is a 15 color eyeshadow palette, and this is the round 2 of ItsMyRayeRaye and BH Cosmetics basically collaborating with each other. Let's open her up. She has this thing. So it does come with a mirror. I don't want to blind you guys. And then this is what these shades look like. They are very, very pretty, a lot more bold and colorful than the first palette that she came out with. I do have that palette here to show you guys as well, so you guys like have a comparison of the two. So the top one is obviously the new one, and then this is the old one, which also had the contour and highlight shades. I was not a fan of the contour shades really because none of them really worked for me, but the highlights were very, very pretty, and the eyeshadows were very, very nice. So that is why I went and bought the second round that she created with BH Cosmetics. Let's start with these eyes. I did kind of prime my eyes already, but I'm kind of thinking I want to go in with this E.L.F concealer to, I don't know, prime some more, you know, whatever. So this concealer I got in the shade Deep Chestnut, and I had to do a lot of soul searching per usual because I bought these online. But I think, yeah, this looks pretty similar to most of my concealer shades that I like to use to like highlight and stuff. So I think that this should work. Oh yeah, I definitely like the way that just primed my eyelids. I felt like before, whatever, I can't remember, whatever concealer I used was definitely slacking and not my fave. But yeah, enough diddling about. I'm gonna jump right into the palette. This palette is very bold and beautiful. I do think I'm gonna go for more like a bronzy neutral look and then just do like a pop of color on the lower lash line, just because I don't know, I'm not in the color mood today. I do intend on playing around with these shades a little bit more, I don't know, later on, but right now I will not be diving into this bottom row. I think I'm gonna save that to do some like cool Instagram videos. So again, you know, go follow me on Instagram. But I think I'm just gonna work with the top row just because today I'm feeling a little bit neutrally because, you know, the sun's out and I just want to be bronzed and glam. So I think that's the vibe we're going for. So yeah, just gonna pick up one of these new brushes that I got, and this does come with a mirror, which is very nice, and this palette retails for $17.50, I believe. But if you follow any type of influencer, I'm sure one of them has some kind of, you know, coupon code for you, which I did use myself. So I don't have one, but I used some ones. I think it might have been Trend Moods, I'm not sure. So if you want to get a little few bucks off of your palette, you can. So yeah, let's jump right into this. I'm gonna jump into this shade called Brick and use that as my transition shade. Ooh, Brick is pigmented. That is a very, very pretty color. It's just your basic brown, you know, warm brown neutral transition, which I really, really love. Like, I'm very happy she gave us this top row, given that there's so much color in here. I'm living for this, and I think that this is like beautiful. So now I'm just gonna jump into the next shade right next to this called Bark, and we're gonna put that right below Brick, which is this shade. Now, to really add some depth and definition to the eyes, I'm going to jump into the darkest shade up here called Cocoa or Cocoa, okay? And we're going to go ahead and deepen our crease and outer V a little bit more. Whoa, this is the first color I've dipped into that's had a little bit of kickback, but it's like not all over the place, you know? It's fine. So this is what our eyes are currently looking like. I am loving it. Just forgot to blend this out a little bit more. So far, so good. I really don't have any complaints about this eyeshadow palette yet. I mean, of course, I have not used the colors, which I'm sure is what most people are going to purchase this for. But I've seen a lot of like colors, like, you know, being used with this palette, which is honestly another reason why like I want to give you guys more of like, you know, a natural look. This is not going to be natural by the end by any means, but it's more like, you know, wearable, because I know some people are afraid of color. So, you know, that's a thing. But so far, so good. I'm not going to go ahead and like cut my crease with that E.L.F. concealer, and then we will start working on the lid. Y'all know I love a good cut crease, so let me live. If you don't like it, you know, oh well. For the cut crease part of our eyes, I've decided to play around with a little bit of the shimmery color shades. Wow. I'm gonna go in with Scarlet on the like outer part, and then I'm gonna go in with Golden Girl on the very inner corner, just to have like a pretty bright look, and we'll see how that works out. Wow, do you see this color payoff? I did not wet my brush. Yep, it's official. If you don't have this palette, you need to buy it now. You need to. Okay, so just to really like make this cut crease pop and just come out of this world, I'm gonna put some white eyeliner, you know, that really cute little floating liner. We're gonna see what that does to this look. So here we go. So we're done with the eyes for now. We're gonna move on to concealing and contouring with these two E.L.F. concealers. The one that I'm gonna use to contour is Rich Ebony, and I'm gonna highlight my under eyes with Deep Chestnut. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm gonna do contouring first, just in case this is too dark. This looks like it'll be a good contour shade for me. I don't usually cream contour, but I'm trying out the concealer, so I wanted to like see if the shade range is good, which usually means like if I can contour and there's maybe one or two more, then it's a good shade range. I can't remember really what this shade range looked like. I think it was pretty decent. Now I don't know if you can or can't find these in stores, but I do think that this was like $5 or $6 because I ordered them from online, so yeah. And the applicator on this kind of reminds me of like the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. It's like that huge doe foot concept as well. So I blended out my concealer, my contour, my face is coming along. It's gonna be snatched very soon. I don't have any new like loose powders or contours or bronzers to use, so I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly finish the rest of my face off camera so that we can come back and do the under eyes, our blush, and our highlighter with the other new products that we've been trying out. Okay, now for our under eyes, I just put on this NYX Tropical Green eyeliner underneath in my waterline, and then I'm gonna blend that out with this shade here called Ambitious. Kind of seems like a greeny shade, seems pretty pigmented, so I don't want to go too like heavy with it. Another new product that I do want to test out, I kind of used it off camera already because I put on my lashes, but it's this new Maybelline Snap Mascara. And I have mine in the shade Pitch Black, and we're just gonna put a little bit on our lower lash lines as well. So now moving on, I'm gonna be using this ABH blush trio in the shade Peachy Love. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So this is what the shades look like. They're very peachy, very like nice for the summer and whatnot. So I think I'm just gonna use this like middle shade here to blush her up. Very pretty. I mean, it's just blush, but I've always been like intrigued by these blushes, and I'm very just glad I finally found them and I could get my hands on them, honestly. Went a little too heavy with this side. And that's honestly what you can do. If you like go too heavy with like your blush or your contour or something, just take like your face like powder brush. You don't even have to put any product on, and just go over it, tone it down a bit, get her back in order, you know. So now we are going to use this Liquid Glow highlighter. I must admit, I'm a little out of my element when it comes to like liquid glow. I don't usually liquidly glow, but I don't know, let's see how this goes. I'm just gonna put like 2 dots or something, maybe 3, right? Ah! Oh god, this just looks like the way I see people do it, so if it doesn't work out, yikes. Just gonna take my sponge to like blend this out. Alright, now that's cute. I'm gonna go ahead and like melt all of these powders and liquids and stuff using some MAC Fix Plus, and then we're gonna move on to our lips. So for lips, I'm just going to do a really pretty nude lip combo, and I'm going to use my MAC lip pencil in the shade Chestnut, my lipstick, my Too Faced lipstick in the shade Dollface. This is from the Peachy collection, and this It's My Ray Ray lip gloss in the color Rosy Ray. This product is brand new. I have not tried this before, but I have used these before, so you know, you hate to see it. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look of the day. I am pretty obsessed. Like, I love the way the eyes turned out. The concealer looks very, very good right now. I will try this out a few more times to let you guys know like what I really think about it, but right now it looks very, very good. This ABH glow though, like, I do need to find a better technique for using liquid glows, but I kind of really liked it, and I want to try like maybe putting a little bit on like my collarbone. Let's just see what was left on this to shimmer up, you know. In the age of body lava, one must do what they can if you can't afford body lava. But yeah, I honestly just had such a great time filming and creating this look for you guys, because I just haven't really filmed anything makeup related in a while, and I just had a few of these new products lying around, so I said, hey, you know, let's put something together, let's film it. I really liked this palette. Like, I think this is such a great palette. If you don't have it, you need to get it. The shimmers are bomb, or at least like the two that I tried, they are bomb. Like, you can't tell me otherwise, and I'm so excited to play around with like the other shades that are in here. You have no freaking idea. I'm gonna have so much fun. So yeah, without further ado, this is really the end of the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. If there's any new products, you know, foundation, eyeshadow, all that jazz that you think that I should try out, please let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, this is gonna be the end. Thank you so much for watching. But before we leave or go anywhere, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.